Welcome to Puckwoman Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today we're going to try and get a broken key out of a keyhole. This is the lock we're talking about. It's an old Lockwood mortar cylinder. Sprayed the back in case I need to take the screws off. Pretty rusted. So the first thing we need to do is turn it back into its orientation. So if you don't have access to the back, hope that you've still got a little bit of the key sticking out so that you can grab hold of it. If you can't grab hold of it, grab hold of something that can grab hold of it. Find a gap anywhere. Turn it back to its correct orientation. You want the pointy end pointing up, the pins are up this way. That's how you're going to start. So what we're going to try and use are some of these tools. These are from a $7 kit. These are key extraction, all different kinds of tips and thicknesses. So these little ones, these are like little files. Therefore, putting up the top, screwing in, trying to get a bite, pulling out enough so that you can get hold of one of these other ones and pull it out all the way. So that's a 3mm, 0.2mm, 0.3, 0.2, 0.2, 4.3, so, and all different kinds of little hooks at the top. So what we're going to try and do is use one of these to get this key out. So you've got to put the hook side down because you want to push in at the top of the pin, so get in right at the top of the key, get it in. Now this is really flimsy, you can see it going like that, so you just be gentle with it and just try and hook it any way you can to get hold of that key and try and pull it out. Try and pull it out enough so you can get hold of something else. It's got more perches. Get the key out a little bit and pull it out. Now this key is in a fair long way. That's where it's broken off at. So as you can see, not much room to move in at the top. If this key had broken down further, you could go in, push all the pins up the top and then grab hold of the key and drag it out. But because it's sitting on the edge, now chances are because it's broken off there, they've bent it inside. So this isn't going to come out this way. So what we need to do now is go to plan B. Now plan B is remove all the stuff off the back and try and gut it. So you take it off the back of the door, take the hardware off, take the back plate off, get access to these little screws. On this one, it's old. You can tell it's old because it's got flathead screws. This is what it would have looked like when it was new. So now we're going to try and zoom out a bit. Hold the tail piece, stop it from spinning. Still want it to be in the correct orientation. Oh, these screws are rusted in. They are not budging. No, totally not coming out. Alright, so I'm going to go back to plan A. Keep trying to pull it out. Let's see how we're going to go. Tiny space available up the top. Can I get this little hooky one in? Pulled it out a fair way. Might be able to grab hold of it now. Now the trick is getting your hook back out, just gentle. Just corkscrew it. Okay, got it out a bit further, so let's see. Try not to push it in as you go in with your pliers. Grab hold of it. Just wants to keep jumping back in. Alright, going with some more. Let's see if we can get it to come out a bit further. Very cool. Wow, that worked. Now this key hasn't seen the light of day in a very long time. Oh, there's a lot of cut on that. Wow. No wonder it was difficult to get out. Look at the bidding on that. So that's what the key length should have looked like. And that's how much of the key broken in. Pretty well snapped at the start of the bow. Wow. Nice bidding. So now you could take that part to a locksmith and say, my key broke. Can you make me a key from that? And they'll be able to do it. So what we might do is put the other key in. I know it won't work, but I'll just free up the pins with that a bit. Grab some of the crud. Very, very nice. So there you go, people. That's how you use these little tools. This little packet of $7. You never know when you're going to need them, but when you do, they will come in handy. Thanks for watching. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.